Brad from Friendswood has a question about a soffit solution.
Well, yeah, he wants to clean his, and he's a little worried about what the trouble that may create, Tom. Brad writes, I have Hardy soffit with the continuous vent on it. You know what I'm talking about.
It's called the perforated soffit.
That's the one. He says, can we use, Anyway, can we use a power washer to clean the soffits? We saw a painter use a power washer for painting a house near us, but I'm worried, won't that get water up in the attic and then be a source of mold?
It's not going to be a source of mold. You're not going to get that much water. You might get a little puddle here and there. It'll dry out. Nice hot day, it's gone. It's not going to be sitting around there in that soffit. It's going to be 120 degrees. That water is going to evaporate real quick. But if you just keep it at an angle and don't put it perfectly straight, so it goes right up into the hole and just leave it there for a while, but you go back and forth, it's not going to be a big deal. So wash it, get it nice and clean, do it on a nice sunny day. Don't sit in one spot and just let it keep going up in one area. It'll be fine. It's done all the time.
I guess if you want to kind of do it at an angle almost, right? So
That's
the water
right.
isn't going straight up.
Instead of doing it like this, I'll put it in my face. Instead of doing it straight up, do it at an angle so it just kind of sweeps back and forth over the holes.
Is this the thing where you'd use that more gentle tip on it, the softer tip?
If it's a painted surface and you're cleaning, you always use the gentle tip, and you don't get super close. When you want to just take the deck boards and make them new again, or take the cedar and just take that surface off, then you use a much harder spray. But anytime for cleaning hardy and paint, you don't want to take the paint off. You probably really wouldn't hurt the hardy, but then you'd have to repaint the house. So it's not a repainting, it's just a wash.
Yeah, so you just kind of get the dirt off it is the bottom line.
Yeah, that's all.
Yeah, okay. All right, you got a question? We'll get to the bottom line for you, too. Go ahead and visit HomeShowRadio.com. Fill out the Ask Tom form. Send it our way. We'll put it on our YouTube channel, our Facebook page, and even our website. We post a new one there every day at HomeShowRadio.com.